medium-sized hail falling in Bath, Maine. Starting to whiten the ground. Some of the hailstones are approaching, I would say, just smaller than maybe a golf ball or a ping pong ball.